24 degrees. I don't know if this is going to happen with these batteries. Let's find out. Kind of boring here, but if I get this camera to stay there, we'll. Hey. It's 23 and this thing barely started. These batteries are 3 years old, I think. It's not very good. We should do both your blacks first, since this is 2 batteries. You take those cables off and lay them down and they can short out. Let's take my negatives off first. Alright, she is dead. You can undo the hooks that don't actually do anything anymore when your truck's old. Do the positives now. 27s. Ooh. Let's see if we get this out of here. Okay, so that's one. I'll get this off of it. Nice. Alright. Okay. Anyway. Let me see that or not. Yeah, they're 3 years old. Cold, too. Yeah, let's get this one out. These sometimes are a bitch. Double ones are kind of pain in the ass to do. Put that there so we lose it. Oh, she's still tight. Look at that. Set you down for a minute here. This ain't gonna work. Put you over here. Safe in it. No. Yeah. There you go. That's better. This one actually feels like it's still bolted down. Let's see if we can get it loose. I don't know about that. It's turning. All right, I think we need to go get an 8mm socket. We'll be back. And we're back. We get too long, it's dark out now. This thing out of here. We're done for the night. Damn, that thing's long-winded. out from under this thing. You suck. 9 of 20, yeah. So these are both 3 years old, and that's about all you get out of Duralast. So, our ratchet there. The batteries are there. And that's it for the night. These things still suck. In there. There we go. Damn it. Just get stuck right there. Good thing. There we go. Those suck. Yeah, we can put this all back on. Right there. Put grease on it last time, so it's not too bad taking out or putting in. I'm sure we got my DeWalt. Oh well. Positive back on, but not a negative. Get my hammer out. Come on now. I don't think this is the right wrench for this here job, but of course not. It's fairly tight though. Enough. Yay. We gotta do it all over again. Yeah, I think this one doesn't work. Hammer out again. Okay. At this point, we're ready to hook up our negatives. Again. There's one. There's two. All right, that's that. Let's see how this turd starts now. I'd say that's a win. I saw smoke come out of this one though, so we're gonna go get a wrench that fits that better and we'll get that tighter.